In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Online Inventory, how to apply additional costs, shipping insurance to inventory items. If you purchase inventory and also pay extra costs like shipping or insurance, it's important to include those costs in the value of the items you bring into stock. In QuickBooks Online, this helps your inventory asset balance stay more accurate, and it also improves your average cost calculation for each item. Since QuickBooks Online doesn't always provide a built-in landed cost workflow in every setup, this method gives you a practical way to manually apply those extra costs directly to your inventory purchase. The first thing you'll want to do is calculate the proportional cost. In simple terms, you're taking the total shipping and insurance amount and spreading it across the inventory you purchased. You can do this by dividing the total extra cost by the total quantity of items, or by allocating it based on item value if that makes more sense for your purchase. The goal is to figure out how much additional cost should be assigned to each unit. Once you have that number, you can add it to the base cost of the inventory item, so the final amount reflects both the original purchase price and the extra charges tied to getting that inventory into your business. Next, open the bill. In QuickBooks Online, go to the New button and select Bill. If needed, you can also use an expense, depending on how you're recording the transaction, but a bill is commonly used when you haven't paid the vendor yet. This is where you'll enter the inventory purchase details so QuickBooks can properly update your records. Now add the inventory items. Choose the inventory item you purchased, enter the quantity, and then adjust the amount so it includes the base cost plus the shipping and insurance portion you calculated earlier. This step is the key part of the process. Instead of recording shipping and insurance separately for this purchase, you're building those costs into the item amount so the inventory value reflects the true cost of acquiring the goods. Once everything looks correct, save the transaction by clicking Save and Close. That final step updates your inventory asset account and your item's average cost based on the amount you entered. As a quick tip, double-check your math before saving, especially if you're allocating costs across multiple items. A small error in the calculation can affect inventory valuation later. Used carefully, this method is a simple and effective way to keep your inventory costs more accurate in QuickBooks Online.